to top 30s. Yay! So, and I'm super excited if I could get in or if I have a chance. So in this video today, I'm gonna do a first unboxing video. But before we get started, I want to thank you all for the love and support, and for moving forward, I really need your help to vote me in my next video challenge, which is my first challenge is jungle fever. Okay, so you can see my video on 31st July. Voting start from 31st July until 4th August, I guess. Yes, 4th August. So let's see what we've got here first. So let's open up first. Oh my god, like seriously? Oh, okay. I'm gonna do one by one, but which brand first? We should do Garnier first? Yes, it's a Garnier. Thanks for Garnier for sponsoring us for Fest Awards 2019. So this is these three products are from Garnier, which is it's a makeup remover, I guess. Yes, it's a makeup remover. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. I can't wait to try this on. Okay, so the first one is micellar cleansing water. This one. Sorry for the reflection. A makeup remover for sensitive skin. Okay, menghapus makeup, membersihkan, menyegarkan tanpa bilas untuk wajah, mata, bibir tanpa penambahan parfum, tanpa alkohol, cocok untuk kulit sensitif. So this is the pink one from Garnier. Thank you, Garnier. Oh my god, I'm gonna try this. So this pour onto cotton pad and swap gently on skin, eyes and lips. No rinsing required. Proof is on the card. Oh, okay. Next is, I've got this little guy right here, micellar cleansing water for oily, acne-prone skin. Menghapus makeup, membersihkan tanpa kilap, tanpa bilas. Nice. Thank you, Garnier. And the last one from Garnier, what we've got here for all skin types, micellar oil infused cleansing water, which is check well before use, apply onto face, eyes and lips with some cotton pads. Oh, okay. This one with cotton pad as well. Without rubbing, no rinsing required. Okay, I'm gonna try this. It's for waterproof makeup because I use a lot of waterproof makeup, so I'm gonna try this one. It's a new one, I guess. Okay, haven't tried Garnier makeup remover yet, but pretty sure I'm so excited to try these three. Yes. Okay, next. Wow, oh my god. Let's see what we've got here. Okay. Actually, I already removed the plastic because kind of waste of my time to. Oh my god, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try this on later, but it's so cool. Softens fine lines and pores. SPP 01 clear transparency. It's studio perfect photo loving primer. So this is the product. Yes. Okay, so next what I've got here is this tiny little bottle, it's a matte finish fine matte long lasting setting spray. Yes, it's a setting spray. Okay, I'm gonna try this on. This is so cute. Look at the bottle. Yes, I can bring this thing anywhere I go. So this is my new best friend, guys. Let's see the result. To try this on. Okay, next we have NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Hydrating Cheek Tint. This, you guys can see that? This is the code. Okay, so let's try this on. Oh my gosh. It's orange. Yes, it's good for tan skin. Okay, next by NYX product as well. So we have NYX lingerie gloss. Yes, this gloss. This is the code. Oh, it smells so good. Yes, it's shiny and the texture is so thick. You guys can see that. So we have 3 products of NYX so far. Oh, sorry, it's 4. So next we have glitter golds, liquid lipstick. Yeah, we have 2 of them. One is magenta color. It's X Infinity. X Infinity. Because it's awkward talking in front of the camera. So yay. So the next one, what we've got here is the red one. It's more to orange, I guess. Yes, it's shimmy. This is the code. Next, oh my god, guys, look at the cover. Oh my god, so cute and so vintage. Oh, it's 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna swatch it later. 5 of them are matte color and the rest are satin, I guess. It's more to glittery and shimmery palette eyeshadow, so I'm gonna try this one. Yes, I'm so excited, guys. I cannot tell you. Let's put it back in the box. So this is the box. Yay! Thank you, NYX! And the last one. This cute little guy right here. You can see this. It's cute. It's pink and it's turquoise and it's I don't know. It's pink. Oh my god, guys! It have 1, 2, 3, 4 creatures on the cover. This cute creature and another one. Okay, this called Kinkin 03 Whipped Wonderland. It contains 8 shades. Wow. Okay, that's cool. We have 4 matte shades and then the other one is shimmery, I guess. Yes, it's a shimmery shades. 8 of them, and I cannot wait to try for my next challenge, which is Jungle Fever. So that's all for today. Okay, let's close this box and keep it for my next challenge, and I cannot wait to try these gorgeous products I've got here from NYX and Garnier. So what I want you guys to do is put your thumbs up if you like this video, and then please comment or suggest me any looks for my next challenge, which is Jungle Fever. You can recommend anything that you like, animals look, or you can recommend me fairies look, or I don't know. I just say that, but for now I don't have any idea. But yeah, let's see what we've got next, and don't forget to subscribe me and put the bells on so that you will know when I will upload my video. But see you guys next week.